So we've got about 5,000 employees across the company working on a wide variety of tasks, and for us exceptional employees equals exceptional customer service, and to do that they need to be safe first and foremost, but also they need to have the information that they need to do the job to the best of their ability. They need to feel empowered and engaged so that they can deliver great customer service across our 7 million customer base. Our workforce is absolutely key to us. We're a customer-facing organisation, so our employees who are out there engaging with our customers need to be empowered and engaged with all the right tools that they have at their fingertips to do a great job. So we're looking for anything really that will enable our employees to do the best job they possibly can. This can be through training, it can be through technologies, it can be through how they work better together and share information. So we are in a digital era and we need to exploit that, work with that and help our really talented staff keep ahead of the game. I think through technologies, being able to share knowledge in an agile way across the organisation is hugely beneficial. If we can get information and learning from Cumbria down to Cheshire and vice versa, that enables our employees to give the great service that they want to give to customers by having that information at their fingertips. That can be anything from customer data, it can be information about assets, it can be information about maintenance best practice, but ultimately we're looking for anything that will help our employees deliver great customer service.